is Sid the Sloth from the movie Ice Age, and we're about to do this new dance, the Continental Drift. It's time to get up on your feet. It's easy to do. Just follow me. Move it out. Do the Sid. Take it back and do the Sid. Step left, then drift. Step right and then drift. Crisscross and do the man-made. Crisscross and do the man-made. Now jump, jump, wiggle.